Earth. Chapter 7. The Dimensions Dance. Energy Exercise. Place yourself in comfort. Take a few deep, centered breaths. Relax and slip into the moment. Visualize yourself with a group of people that you love and trust. You are gathered together to open a light portal to meet other worlds. Imagine a pillar of light coming from above, penetrating your body and the group. On this pillar of light, ride many energies that make an opening or doorway through which realities can meet. Send your intention to the opening of this portal and make your presence known. Signal all energies and realities that, to merge with you, a vibrational match is required to meet your version of the love frequency as you presently understand it. Picture yourself with others in the group, making a ring around this opening, standing arm in arm and hand in hand. You are all filled with joy and laughing over what you have accomplished together, feeling the unity that allows you to go further. Now, as a group, go through the opening in the portal of light. Go up and locate the place where your portal will connect you with other portals on your planet. Find yourself moving to other dimensional doorways and make rings of light. Take your light and weave it in as many portals as you can perceive. Broadcast the idea and imagine that in order for energies to enter onto Earth, they must meet and match the frequency that you are discovering and holding, the frequency of love. Picture yourself and the group all over the globe, being scattered by the winds, creating rings of light and feeling joined by other circles of light. You feel supported in the love frequency that you are now enamored of carrying. As you travel around your globe, forming these rings, feel the energies that support you in this. Feel beyond your planet. Feel who we are. Feel the Palladian energy infused and folded into your personal chakra system. Let our love match the love frequency that you presently understand. Allow yourself for a few moments to feel supported, nurtured, and cherished by energies that honor your existence. We love the essence of your being. Imagine now a portal in your galaxy that we own and operate. As your Palladian friends, we act as a gatekeeper for the frequency that would pass through. Let us hold that portal open for you at this time and let love from other systems filter through. As the portals open on your planet, feel that love filtering down. Picture rays of golden streaming light and feel all the cells in your body tingle. Feel embraced and surrounded by this light. Let this love enter the planet and remind all those who encounter it of an alternate way of living. Let it remind them of a new blueprint, a new idea. In your own identity, the one that you are seeking to discover and understand, Picture yourself now standing before a mirror. See your physical body change. See the molecules move as love transforms you. Hold this love, for it is your wealth and your value. This love is you in living form. Love that you are destined to hold is the key to uniting various factions of energy, to bringing these energies a new creative expression for your universe. Imagine yourself weightless, moving through energy waves and opening doorways. Picture yourself in human form, catapulted into the forefront of existence, carrying a commitment of love. Take a deep breath, and as you breathe in, feel the love frequency all around you. It is being sent to every part of your body. And whatever you choose to do with it is up to you. Feel it fill you, now with a rich calmness. Picture your planet encircled with love as it comes flooding through you, while you hold your frequency over the portals around your planet. Now, from wherever you are, picture yourself spiraling, spinning, and turning. As this spinning accelerates, moving faster and faster, unite that spinning with your physical body, wherever you are. Feel that this love spins off you and touches every form of life, everything that is created. Feel it spinning off of you, touching all things wherever you go. Picture that spinning getting faster and faster, and picture your knowledge becoming clearer and clearer. Stay in that energy for a while. Feel that love. Seek it. Know it. Share it. Become curious about it. Want it. And it shall be yours. We trust that you know you change your world by every thought you express. We thank you for so willingly donating thoughts of love and peace to Earth. It will affect all of existence.